Hi guys, welcome to Ketovers 24/7. Today we have delicious keto ham and cheese wraps, a low-carb keto recipe. Before continuing our low-carb keto recipe, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe our channel for more updates on keto recipes and diet plans. You can follow us on social media, links are in the description. You can also order your custom keto meal plans and cookbooks right now by clicking link in our description. So let's continue our today's video, stay tuned. Ham and cheese wraps. Wraps for lunch are not a bad idea at all, especially if it's packed with ingredients that you love. This ham and cheese wrap consists of 4 ingredients only, but the fillings have a generous amount of serving. Ham and cheese are absolutely one of the best stuffing. Servings. 1. Ingredients: 6 leaves romaine lettuce, tough part cut off. 4 slices sandwich ham. 1 tablespoon ranch dressing. 1/4 cup shredded cheddar. Procedure: 1. Lay a sheet of parchment on a cutting board. 2. Arrange romaine leaves on top with slight overlaps. 3. Lay ham slices on top of the lettuce. 4. Spread ranch dressing on the ham slices. 5. Sprinkle shredded cheddar on top. 6. Lift by one side of the parchment and roll tightly all the way to the other edge. Nutritional information: energy 286 kcal, protein 20 grams, 28%, fat 20 grams, 60%, carbohydrates 9 grams, 13%. Fiber 4.6 grams. Thank you so much for watching this recipe. Please like and share this recipe and do subscribe our channel for more updates on ketogenic diet plans and recipes. You can follow us on social media, links are in the description. You can also order your custom keto meal plans and cookbooks right now by clicking link in our description. Take care of yourself and your loved ones. See you in the next video.